What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Ryan Ross. Today we got ANDELI's Welding Helmet to review. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. We got the front face shield right there for it. It comes in like a really nice bag. The box is empty, we don't need that. So here's the bag. It's just like that drawstring bag. I mean, it's like a Tyvek type deal. So this is another face shield for right here. So that is nice to have another one of these. I can't tell you enough. A lot of times when you're welding, especially really close, you get that backsplash of, you know, vapor and smoke and all that stuff, and it just clogs up and clouds up your shield here, and you can't really easily sometimes, you know, remove it with a rag or anything like that, or also you get those sparks, you get that slag hitting you too. So it's nice to have one of these. Here's another helmet that was sent to me that was in my last video. Here's a comparison. It has a whole bunch of controls on the side there. Ooh. Much nicer back strap than any of the other welding helmets I have personally. Give you another lens in here too as well, which is pretty nice. And another thing is, it's nice that it already comes assembled. Most of these Amazon ones, you have to put it together, and sometimes there's a whole bunch of little pieces that are annoying. So it's really nice to have this already put together. Crazy LED lights on both sides here, as you can see. Power at top, and then an LED, it looks like maybe a brightness. Got your shade cut off, grind, weld, fast, slow, and then your high to low sensitivity. So here's a power. I believe that turns on the lights, so let's go ahead and try that. Ooh. And then this is probably brightness levels. Oh yeah. First thoughts about putting it on. Let's see. Adjust this. I like how this is like hugging your head back here. It's comfortable. I ain't gonna lie, this is probably one of the most comfortable welding helmets I've ever put on. It's a little big, but boy, I feel like I'm a Spartan right now. You can't tell me I don't look like Master Chief. That's crazy. Very comfortable. Right here, you can't see it, but there's two shaded lenses here. And then the main frame is right here. And then this is actually clear. Well, it's a greenish. And then inside here on top left corner, you have like a test button to see if it's charged or not, or activated. Yeah, let's go ahead and try welding with her. Let's adjust this darkness here. Just turn this to weld too. I don't know if that makes a difference, because it was on grind, but it was still darkening. Definitely did feel good on my head, and it looked very clear, and that's what you really want, a very clear image and something that's going to be comfortable on your head for however long you're going to be welding for. If you're welding for a long time, you're going to want a really comfortable helmet, and I would tell you this piece right here makes a whole lot of difference in this front padding on a helmet versus, you know, that cheap plastic on the back ends like this, which they do have a padding, but this doesn't feel good on top of your head. So but these are way cheaper. So like I said, this is on a higher price point right here. It has a lot of different gadgets on here, which some of these might be people want them. For me, I just want a good, nice, clear lens that I can see out of, and something with a variety of shades. The light, I don't know if I would ever use that. Maybe if it was dark out and I was grinding something. That's really about it. And then you can play with your sensitivity. I like mine really high. You have your delay. You can swipe these back to slow or fast. But yeah, all around, really nice feeling helmet. Let's see how the weld looks. Pretty straight. Oh yeah. What do you think? Does she look good? I think so. She looks pretty decent. A little more splatter. I could have turned her down. All around, that welded really nice. I welded really nice with it because I could actually see something because it was very clear image. So that's all we got today, guys. That is the ANDELI Welding Helmet. You guys can go check them out on Amazon. The link will be in the description below if you are interested in purchasing this helmet. It is on sale because of the Black Friday deal going on. I believe it's 20% off right now. It's at like $111 right now. Again, you guys don't need all of these features, but they are nice to have. But they are also a little selling point where they'll make the helmet, you know, more pricier because there's more gadgets on there. So I'd like to see that price come down if possible. But all around, guys, you make the suggestion if you want this helmet, and you can go check out their other products. They have Welders and other welding helmets if you guys are interested in purchasing just a standard, you know, bare-boned welding helmet. They do have those in stock. So go check them out on Amazon, and I'll see you guys in the next one.